Today on Alley Picked, I've got a very tall order. At a garage sale this summer, I picked up this beautiful mahogany pedestal stand. And today I plan to refinish it. But I'm not just going to sand it down, stain it in polyurethane. It does need some work, especially when it comes to this top. This top here is veneer. The edging on this is all banged up and it needs to be replaced. However, I really don't want to put veneer on it. When you put veneer on something, it just screams fake.
Fake news. It's fake. Phony. Fake.
I want to replace this with a real solid piece of mahogany. That's where this solid piece of mahogany is going to come into the picture. I bought this at an estate sale for almost nothing. Not sure what I was going to use it for, but it's going to be perfect for this pedestal stand. I'm going to cut it up, double it up, glue it up until it's the right size to replace this top. Let's get started. The most difficult and challenging part of any wood restoration project is preparing the wood for a stain and finish, especially in this case because this has different types of wood. I'm dealing with mahogany veneer. This is solid mahogany. This looks like birch. The feet are birch. This is birch. And my new top, that's a lighter mahogany. Often what furniture companies did was to use cheaper woods instead of the more expensive wood, and then they would stain them to match. So that's what I have to do. I have to come up with some creative staining techniques in order to get a consistent color. I'm using a gel oil-based mahogany stain. Since the end grain soaks up stain and makes the color darker than the rest, I'm going to pre-treat it by applying some mineral spirits. I gave these two pieces the same coat of stain. The solid mahogany piece is much darker than the lighter birch. I'll have to give the lighter one multiple coats. This is some wood filler that didn't quite match, so I'm going to touch it up with some of the stain. The 4 original feet used 2 nails in each and no glue. I'm going to replace the nails using screws and wood glue. After a little more reassembly and a few coats of polyurethane, this project is finished.